Yes, Hovaisi sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, the MIM's opinion on the Leader of the House advice about conducting of this House is well taken, sir. But it is not only a responsibility of the main opposition, but it is a responsibility of the entire House, all political parties, and all political parties' leaders have to really behave like a lawmakers, and at the same time, provocative statements should be avoided. Because once a sentence is said, it cannot be taken back. It usually happens so, sir, that provocative statements by one side leads to another provocative statement from another side. And when we say that we are the leaders, so the leaders should control the members, sir. So many times I've seen here in this house, whether it's the leader of the house or leader of the opposition, the leaders really do not, I'm sorry to say, really do not have the real control over the members. If a member of one political party is talking, let him talk. But it is so unfortunate. A leader waves the hand and says, tell the members to be quiet. In spite of the leader saying, be quiet, nobody is quiet. Sir, it is not only that we have to behave here well, but if we have to see the viewership, before, sir, there were thousands of people who used to really, early in the morning, get up, open the television and see what is happening in the assembly. But now, the viewership is falling day by day. And it is very sad, the people are saying that every day what they witness is only shouting slogans and provocative statements. So we all need to sit together and see that we do a very good business. I am not standing here to criticize the opposition leader or the leader of the house. It is the responsibility of all of us. And all of us are responsible, and we should behave like responsible people, and we all should see that. Okay, we should respect the chair. It has been in so many instances where we have seen the respect of the chair has not been given. So I know that the leader of opposition, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, had really created history in many fields, and he was famous for being a high-tech chief minister. I hope that as an opposition leader, he also makes a very big achievement over here that of discussing many numbers of issues so that our Andhra Pradesh Assembly reaches a very high stature. Sir, it is very right that in this session, there has been many instances where provocative statements have been given, sir. But I would like to come on record, sir, and say that Andhra Pradesh Assembly is far better than most of the assemblies of India, sir. We are far better, sir. Our Andhra Pradesh Assembly is not like the Uttar Pradesh Assembly. Our assembly is not like the Bihar. Our assembly is not going the way like what has happened in Goa. It is very nice, sir, that we all have stood here and realized that what is happening should be stopped. It is very nice. We all will be together and we'll make sure, sir, that we will respect the chair. The chair is there. We got to respect the chair. We are the lawmakers and we got to set a good example. If we have a healthy discussions and we have a very constructive role, I think more and more youngsters would like to come. And in this house, sir, we have so many youngsters representing the people here in this assembly. I hope we all sit together and jointly make all the efforts to have a respect for the chair and conduct a good business in this house, sir.